Imagine holding a device in your hands that weighs barely more than a standard tablet, yet possesses the raw, unbridled computational horsepower of a high-end desktop gaming rig. A device that lets you slip a massive digital universe right into your backpack, pull it out on a cross-country flight, and play the most graphically punishing, cutting-edge AAA titles at blisteringly high frame rates without a single hitch, stutter, or compromise. That is no longer a distant dream for the hardware elite. It is the exact reality-shattering truth of what is happening right now with the Asus ROG Ally 2. For years, handheld gaming was defined by limitations. You either settled for low-resolution, simplified mobile games on casual consoles, or you chained yourself to a desk, staring at a massive, power-hungry desktop tower with a maze of tangled cables. The industry told us that true, uncompromising PC gaming required massive physical space, liquid cooling loops, and a dedicated power outlet from your wall. But Asus just executed a move that completely obliterates that entire narrative. By re-engineering portable silicon architecture, completely overhauling thermal physics, and introducing a display matrix that defies expectations, they didn't just release a refresh. They broke the handheld hierarchy. They built a machine that actively threatens traditional gaming laptops and desktop towers alike, compressing premium PC performance into an ergonomic shell that fits perfectly in the palms of your hands. If you are a PC gamer, a console enthusiast looking to break free from the living room TV, a tech minimalist, or someone who simply demands absolute peak performance per square inch, you need to freeze. Stop shopping for bulky laptops. Do not even think about buying an outdated handheld until you understand exactly what Asus has accomplished under the hood of this machine. Because by the end of this video, you will realize that the entire landscape of portable interactive entertainment has fundamentally shifted, and traditional ideas of where and how you can experience true high-end gaming are officially obsolete. We are going to systematically dissect exactly how this miniature powerhouse operates under devastating computing loads. We will look at the jaw-dropping architectural leap of its customized processing core, the brutal efficiency of its redesigned cooling system that keeps desktop-grade chips from melting in your hands, the hidden interface and battery updates that solve the biggest pain points of the first generation, and the real-world performance under punishing synthetic benchmarks. Most importantly, we will dive deep into why this specific device is causing a massive wave of panic across the entire gaming industry, forcing competitors to completely scramble their hardware roadmaps just to stay relevant. Let us start with the absolute heart of the beast, the customized processor driving this handheld revolution. To truly comprehend why this chip is a statistical marvel, you have to look at what happened with the architectural layout. We are not talking about a basic clock speed bump or a minor software optimization pass. This is a fundamental redesign of how data moves through portable silicon. The efficiency gains mean that this processing unit is drawing a fraction of the power of a standard gaming laptop while delivering single-core and multi-core performance metrics that used to require a dedicated, roaring power supply unit. When you look at the history of mobile gaming processors, the progress was traditionally slow, incremental, and highly restricted by severe thermal boundaries.